Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to save your game in Luigi's Mansion 2 HD. Unlike many games, there isn't a manual save button you need to press. Instead, the game handles all your progress automatically at specific moments. This system ensures that your adventure is recorded without you needing to remember to save. We'll cover exactly when these automatic saves occur, so you can play with confidence. Luigi's Mansion 2 HD relies on an automatic saving system. Your game progress is primarily saved upon the successful completion of any mission. This means all your collected items, ghosts captured, and explored areas within that mission are secured. Additionally, finding a crucial Dark Moon piece will also trigger an autosave, ensuring your significant discoveries are always recorded. In Scare-Scraper mode, your progress saves after each run. To ensure your progress is safely stored, always aim to complete a mission. If you exit the game or power off your console in the middle of a mission, you will unfortunately lose all progress made during that specific mission. This includes any ghosts you've captured, money you've collected, or puzzles you've solved. Finishing a mission is the most reliable way to lock in your hard-earned achievements. Here are some essential tips for managing your saves. If you need to take a break during a mission, simply put your console into sleep mode. This will preserve your progress without saving. Always watch for the small save icon that appears on screen, confirming your game data has been written. Remember, missions can vary in length, so it's wise to plan your playtime to complete them fully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.